channel today. We have a beautiful song. We have the heavy riff of this song because the other riff, I was just like, I ain't got enough time. So, we've been playing Mortuary. We're in hard mode now. So, we got this beautiful song by Chris Cornell and Eddie Vedder. Temple of the Dog. Chris Cornell and Eddie Vedder sing on it. Two great vocalists of the 90s still. Rip Chris Cornell. Holy great vocalists. Up there with Maynard. Um, this is gonna be bad. You're gonna get angry. What is his name? From Alice in Chains? Alice in Chains' guy. Maynard, Alice in Chains, Chris Cornell's up there. Fucking Chino, Eddie. All good. Great bands. Um, this song is the only song that I've listened to by Temple of the Dog. I haven't listened to any of their other stuff. Why? I don't know. I think I should. I definitely should, but uh the heavy riff on this song is ooh, I like it. It's like a little I'm not gonna mouth it either, but we'll get into it. Hunger Strike, it's a great song. Uh Beautiful vocals on here. I don't know what else I have to say. Let's get into it. That's who I was talking about. That's who's the other. This is Man in the Box. This is the what is his name? I don't know. Here's it.
I don't mind stealing bread from the mouths of decadence, but I can't feed on the powerless when my cup's already overfilled. Yeah.
That is beautiful. Well, I don't mind stealing bread from the mouths of decadence, but I can't feed on the powerless when my cup's already overfilled. Like, I love Chris Cornell. We haven't talked about. I don't think we've talked about Chris Cornell yet. Holy peak. He got like the what? Nailing my hair to my brother, you gave me a life now. Show me how to live. He got Spoon Man. He got oh black on sun, won't you come? Wow, Well, he has some bangers. Rip, bro, rip. Let's all get rip in the comments for Chris Cornell. Rip, R.I.P. Great vocalist. Um, uh, yeah, I don't know what he means, but I don't mind stealing bread. I don't know what any of this means. I think it's like greed or something. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. Let's continue.
But it's on the table, the fire's cooking, and the farming babies with slaves are working. The blood is on the table, and the mouths are choking.
Yeah, but it's on the table, the fire's cooking. Bro, he's so good. I love this. I don't know. If you haven't listened to them, Pearl Jam, Temple of the Dog, Audio Slave, Soundgarden, if you haven't listened to them, and his album by himself, Chris Cornell, when he made music by himself, Go listen to it. Go watch his MTV Unplugged thing. He looks like there's a part where he plays Black Gold Sun, I think, and you look at there's nothing in his eyes, which is really sad because he OD'd on heroin is what happens. Most people either stop the heroin or they die from it. For example, like the Chris Cornell, Kurt Cobain, Alice in Chains main singer. What is his name? I'm gonna look it up real quick. Oh, I can just not spell. Lane Staley, yes. Lane Staley. Lane Staley. He OD'd on that. They actually had to make him. They didn't film when they did their MT Unplugged. Lane Staley. The band had to have him wear sunglasses and have the place dim the lights because he was like going through that much withdrawals and all that, which is really sad. But let's get back. It was just dark and then dark shit, and then let's get back into the song.
I'm hungry. I don't mind stealing bread from the mouths of decadence. But I can't feed on the powerless when my cup's already overfilled.
Yeah, I think it's about like not being greedy. Because, but I'm going hungry. Yeah. You know, I can't feed on the powerless when my cup's already filled. Like I already have this. I can't feed off the poor to have more than this, like an overflowing cup. Is what I think he's meaning by that. I don't really know for sure. We have the meaning up, so we'll read it after we listen to the full song. Obviously, that's what we do here. Here in the what is my name? Lucas's music channel. Here, this is what we do. But yeah, and now Eddie Vedder is just doing what Chris Cornell just did.
But it's on the table, the fire's cooking, and the farming babies and the slaves are all working. And it's on the table, the mouths are choking, but I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry.
Okay, so I love this part. I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry. Yeah. Chris Cornell's hitting the going hung. Eddie Vedder's hitting I'm going hungry, and then Chris Cornell's coming in and he's going hungry. Yeah. We're about to play that. And also, I have fun fact for this part, the I'm going hungry part. One time, they were playing. Eddie Vedder was not there, and it was Chris Cornell come on stage with Chester. I forgot to. I think Chester hanged himself. For educational purpose, YouTube. Educational. Okay. Rip Chester too. Rip Chester. I've said this. He's up there with Chino and all the Maynard and Lane Staley and Chris Cornell and Eddie Vedder. He's up there too. And Bill Corgan. But he Chester played Chris Cornell's part because he has a better yelling voice. So here, when they played this part, because they were playing this song covered, Linkin Park and Chris Cornell, but in this part, Chris did the "I'm going hungry" and then Chester did the "going hungry." You know, but I might fuck up. That was not a bad word. I said fuck. I think. But I might mess up this song. We have the light blue guitar. This baby. I love this. Give me a second. He's going. So in this like part, he's going up here. And he's. And then it's. So he's hitting open. He's hitting the open to open. Open to open to open to open to open. Third fret, third string, wiggle, and then two. Like that. Simplified. And it's beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a great riff. I love it. Like this, bro. Holy tough pick. Top tier song. Yeah, I don't mind stealing bread. Yeah, I don't mind stealing bread. I don't mind. No, I don't mind stealing bread. And then I'm going hungry. Yeah. And I'm going hungry. And then it actually says, yeah, on here. I don't know if you can see it. It kind of looks blurry on OBS right now. But, tough ass song. Peak. Producer Rick. I don't know how to say that word. The best known Temple of Dogs. I'm gonna read this too, actually. I haven't done this in a 5 minute. On, what is this, Genius? Yeah. The best known Temple of Dogs song was something Cornell wrote questioning whether his music would get commercialized and even it eventually found new life once presented to other musicians of the band, I think is what it says. Temple of Dog is primarily about moral integrity, social equality, and inter-conflict of achieving commercial success with others. I don't mind stealing bread of the I don't mind stealing bread from the mounds of Decadale, but I can't feed on the powerless when my cup's already overfilled. This line represents refusal to sell out or build wealth by exploiting the disadvantage. He's comfortably defined wealthy expression systems decade, but refuses to take advantage of people who have less power than he does. Yes, he doesn't want to be a dictator or whatever, like an asshole. He doesn't want to be one of them. I'm going hungry. The title chorus act as a personal pledge. It's a metaphor for Krishna's decisions to go hungry rather than courage himself on proceeds of injustice and exploitative system. They were farming babies while slaves were working. This imagery sequence how the wealthy explode the vulnerable class, creating a cycle where the poor get treated as cheap labor or yes, that's what I was thinking. So, great song by this band. Some tough stuff. Jack White's putting out a new album. Music update. Jack White's putting out a new album. Uh, New music from Olivia Rodrigo. I don't really listen to her all that much, but my Spotify told me. So, peace, bye, love y'all. Don't die. See y'all later. Have a great day. Bye. And go listen to some Chris Cornell today. Go listen to one of his albums full through. I send you on that quest. If you don't, I don't know. I can't force. I'm not your dad. I can't force you to do it. But peace, bye, love y'all. Don't die. See y'all later. Have a great day. Bye.